Get lined up, stop for a moment. Check your carb heat and your trim. Richmond traffic, Champ 585 departing runway 4 in the grass, staying in the pattern, Richmond. Okay, same as on the other one. Don't try to horse it into the air. Let her fly off. Let her fly off by herself.
Yeah.
There you go. Try not to hit the trees on the left there.
Yeah.
Very good. Clear left and right.
Hampton County traffic, Aero 4631 Juliet is turning base, runway 34, Hampton County.
Keep your airspeed about 65 to 70. So nose up, nose up. Power back. Okay, you can turn your base now. Richmond traffic, Champ 585, left base, runway 4, Richmond. Richmond traffic 585, final runway 4 in the grass, Richmond. Okay, you cleared the trees, chopped apart idle. Oh, beautiful.
That felt really good.
Man, that was nice. Way to go. That was an excellent landing.